The Euro NCAP has recently released crash test result of the 4th generation Suzuki Swift. According to Euro NCAP, the 2024 Suzuki Swift has been awarded a 3-star rating in the crash test. It achieved 67% for adult occupant protection, 65% for child occupant protection, 62% for safety assist, and 76% for protection of other road users. The tested unit of the Swift was equipped with several safety features including 6 airbags, seatbelt pre-tensioners and load limiters, and seatbelt remainder system. It also featured ISO fixed child seat anchorage points in the second row and an advanced driver assistance system or ADAS. Importantly, the passenger compartment was rated as stable in the front crash test. It's worth noting that the Swift sold in Europe is manufactured in Japan and therefore it has no connection with the Swift sold in India. However, the India spec Swift also boasts several safety features such as 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold assist, rear parking sensors, seatbelt remainder system, speed alert system, ISO fixed child seat anchorage points, and additional features. We will have to wait and see if the 4th generation India spec Swift will be tested by Bharat NCAP in the coming months. Subscribe for latest updates. Until next time, drive safe. Thanks for watching.